Hey y'all, so today I will be cleaning Juliana's room. She is my 3-year-old daughter, and as you can see, the room is a total mess, and she usually knocks all the books off the bookshelf. I'm surprised she didn't this time, but I'm glad because it's less work for me. And I'm so sorry that the paint cart is all up in the way. I didn't think of moving it. I'm sorry. And as of right now, I believe I'm finished with decorating her room, which I would love to find some kind of picture to put up above her bed. Soon, Hobby Lobby will be opening in my hometown. I am so happy that I will not have to drive 30 minutes to a Hobby Lobby. So as soon as that opens, I probably will end up finding something to put up above her bed. But other than that, I am finished decorating her room. So if y'all have any suggestions of what I can put above her bed, y'all can just leave it down in the comments section. And also, if you would like to know where I got any of the items in her bedroom from, just leave it in the comments section. Thank you. You know, just brushing up on my puzzle skills. So all the toys that you see in this pink basket actually belong in the toy room. So that's where I brought those to, if anyone is wondering. Here I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the scent Honeysuckle. And one thing I love about these sprays is that first off, you can spray it on mostly anything and everything, and it has the whole house smelling amazing. Like wherever you smell it, wherever you spray it, you definitely are going to smell it. And let me tell you, her room was smelling good for a while. I forgot to clean the actual mirror, but I did do it after everything was over with. And yes, she does need some light bulbs replaced in her light, but for right now, the ones she has are working fine. And I do actually take all the books off the bookshelf and wipe down every shelf, but today I didn't feel like it needed it. So I actually did vacuum, but my video had stopped. And here I'm using the Caldrea Sea Salt Narrowly. It smells amazing. I definitely recommend it.